Haier instant electric water heater. Knob control easy to operate. Dual color heating light for visual heating indication. Nylon fiber tank improving durability to withstand pressure up to 100,000 times. Dual copper heating tube is made of pure copper material. Due to the stepless frequency technology, can find the temperature most suitable for you by adjusting the knob. Rain spray. Indulge in the refreshing shower anytime with the fully rain-like thrill of nature experience. Splash Proof IP25. There are more options to choose from.